Yo, what's up, boys? How we doing? You may notice the camera setup's a little bit different. You should be able to see quite a bit more on the sides. I dropped my Hero 9 off the other day to get the lens fixed and the mount for it straightened out, and they have to send it out, so it's gonna be a couple week ordeal. They send it out back to GoPro, GoPro repairs it, and then they ship it back to Geek Squad. So you know, obviously I'd like to be able to record the next couple of weeks, and I was thinking about upgrading to an 11 or 12 anyways for the hyper view. So you guys will have to let me know how you like this view compared to the super view. You guys will have to let me know how you like it. I think it should look pretty sick. So it's a beautiful day in sunny Florida. It actually was not beautiful this morning. It was kind of rainy and shitty out, but it cleared up really nice. So I've got to run some errands. I figured I'd take the bike and test out the new camera. Oh hell yeah, buddy got the straight pipe on the toaster. Yes sir. My God. A90 Supra, that thing is sick. It's so clean. B58 power. Of course, as per usual, we hit every single stoplight. Why would it be any different? Camino, right? I think that's what that is. Yes sir, it says it right on the side, SS El Camino. I'm just gonna snake my way through here. Another red light. Shocker. Nice. Good thing she sped up so she could stop me from getting over. Nice maneuver. Yeah. Fuck yeah. What a wonderful driver. I love Florida. It's just full of courteous people. Gas. Oh, no Apple Pay, huh? Huh. I always get anxiety when I fill up because I'm worried about the shutoff not working and just fucking gas going everywhere. My worst nightmare. Okay then. Octane acquired. Why are you braking, bro? Oh, he's got his indicator on. His rear indicator just doesn't work. That's crazy. What a fucking idiot, dude. Just gonna blow the stop sign. Stop light, not stop sign. Oh, there's people down there. I'd hate to disturb them. We'll go over here. I'll grab some drone shots, boys. Alright, boys. We got some pretty sick shots. I'll throw them up on screen now. I'm sure they'll also be on Instagram and TikTok. If you don't follow me there, you should go check out my TikTok and Instagram. I'm trying to post more on there. I'm good about uploading videos, but I'm new to the whole TikTok game, so I made YouTube videos since I was a little kid. But you guys will never see those. I also threw on this like lever guard thing. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. I'm debating taking it off. I think they kind of look tacky. I didn't even put this one on, so they don't really fit that great. But I figured I'd throw it on and see how it looks. I don't know, I think it looks better from the cockpit, but when I'm like walking around the bike, I'm not the biggest fan of it. Lake Erie roofing, buddy, you're a little far from home. He's even got fucking Ohio plates, dude. What? I used to record on 1440p, or I'm sorry, on my Hero 9 I recorded on 2.7K and 60 FPS. And this is, I think it's 5.3K and 30 FPS with the hyperview, point of view, angle, whatever you want to call it. So you guys are gonna have to let me know what you prefer. You know, I can't see why you'd want me to go back to the Hero 9 that's worse quality. I guess it's higher FPS, but you shouldn't even really be able to tell with the loss of frames. You know, I was thinking I could use that camera for rollers, I could use it on a second helmet, and do like date videos, you know, anything along those lines. Definitely just opens up more possibility having another camera, especially one with this hyper view. I love this. I think it looks fucking sick. Make sure to comment, let me know what you guys think. I think it looks considerably better, so I'm excited to hear your guys' opinion. I think that's probably going to be it for this one, boys. Definitely let me know what you think about the new camera, new settings. I think the next thing is probably going to be an Insta 360. Either that or a GPR. I'd really like to get a GPR, but... or a Sumo, but you know, that's a little bit more expensive. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Take it easy. I'll see you in the next one.